Hello there, halfway through the week already. Wednesday the 3rd of January. Eamon and Isabel, breakfast here on GB News.
And here's what's leading the news this morning.
Travel chaos as the latest storm brings gales and flooding to England and Wales as more bad weather is predicted to be on the way. Here is another stupid storm with a stupid name, Storm Henk. What's her name? Isn't it very sad to think there's somebody in the world called Henk?
Well, there's a lot of Scandi people called Henk.
Henk.
Okay. It's like saying Eamon's a stupid name. It's a name of a cultural origin.
How dare you?
Henk.
How dare you?
I'm saying, how can you be rude about the name Henk when...
Because it's a stupid name.
Okay.
Right.
Well, anyway.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We've been on a little tour around the our local area. We've had a lot of rainfall recently, as of probably you, up and down the country. The storm that we've had is called
Storm Henk.
Storm Henk. So yeah,
I don't know why I say it like that.
Unfortunately, a lot of people have suffered from it. A lot of property's been damaged and such like. So come along with us. Just gonna go for a walk and dispose of my dog poo in the poo bin.
You just need a boat to be able to do that. I cannot believe we've walked along there anymore. This is really steep as well, but you can't see the road anymore. Because you could see it before, but now you can't.
No. There's a swan down there.
That's what I was saying about there. That's what I was going to try and walk towards this one. Deeper than even I thought it was going to be.
Steady.
Oh, it floats quite well. Okay.
Wait, turn.
There it is.
There it is.
That was a good Pooh Stick.
Following it.
Bye bye.
Ready?
Sticky.
And turbocharge. Yum.
Can't see.